I feel like I'm very freaked out that I'm wearing pink. Like, this is a very vibrant color for me. It's very off-brand for me, but it's very on theme with the video. Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna be diving into Valentine's Day gift ideas for him or for her. I usually only do these videos for him, but I'm here for the girlies too. I feel like we need to give those people in our lives some gift ideas. My name is Taylor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. We're gonna dive in because I have a list running and we just gotta get started. First thing we're gonna talk about is a hair care kit, and I feel like men will just like buy whatever shampoo they see at CVS, but there really is some nice hair care kits, either like a travel size version or a full size version that you can get your man. I came across this one and it's made by the brand Jack Black, which I've heard really good things about and that their stuff smells really good. And then for the girlies, I think an Olaplex hair care kit is definitely a really nice gift idea. I feel like Valentine's Day is a great time to buy that person in your life something that has to do with self-care and self-love. I know we've all seen it, the Skinny Confidential ice ball roller. This thing is trending like crazy, and I have the regular ice roller and I love it, so I know that these things actually do work. So I'm sure that that person would enjoy receiving this. Another brand that I've been seeing all around right now is Osea or OC. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but they do have this bestsellers kit, which I think is really nice. It comes with a body oil. For the man in your life, this 12-piece soap kit from Caswell Massey. I actually got this and it smells. Every single soap smells so different, but so good. A lot of the soaps definitely are more on the masculine smelling side. Such a good gift idea and definitely more of that like luxurious feel. I feel like everyone always mentions one of these, and that is getting a massage gun or just a travel size just a travel size massage gun. These are just really great to have even around the house, and if that person doesn't have one yet, it's your time. Moving on to a couple fashion ideas. First being a matching Sherpa sweater set. Who doesn't want to match with their partner? Are you kidding me? Such a cute idea. Cuts Clothing actually has the perfect option. You guys already know I love Cuts so much. I have my link in the description below if you want to get an extra discount off your purchase. But oh my gosh, they have matching Sherpa shirts, and let me show you. I've definitely already worn this like a couple times this week, but oh my gosh, this is the girls version, and then they have a men's version that looks a little bit different, but it does have that quarter zip at the top. Are you kidding me? Like, matching is the cutest thing ever. I'm also obsessed with the color. It's like a cranberry wine color. They do have other options, but I feel like this color is so on theme with Valentine's Day. Like I said, if you guys use my link in the description, it will automatically apply the discount at checkout. Feel free to scroll their website and look at other options, but I feel like Sherpa is so in right now, and I was just so obsessed with it and I had to show you guys. Valentine's Day definitely gives me like cozy vibes, and I think getting that person in your life a nice pair of slippers. They don't have to be anything luxurious. They do have these ones from UGG that I think are really nice if you want to spend a little bit more money. And then for that woman, they have these ones from Amazon. I own these and wow, they are the best. They're so comfortable and just so cute. Back to matching, I'm sure you guys have heard of this website before, but it's called Undies, and they have a bunch of different options, of course, for Valentine's Day, from matching underwear to matching pajama sets. That's what I think is the cutest thing, is the matching sleepwear. Giving a shout out to my Owala cup. I feel like anyone appreciates a nice cup as a gift. I definitely own way too many, but whether that be an Owala cup, a Stanley cup, which I know some people love or hate, a cute Starbucks cup that's like limited edition for Valentine's Day, a nice Yeti, either like a coffee mug Yeti or one of those beer tumblers. You got a lot of different options in the cup world. One thing that I think is super nice, especially if that person in your life is into drinking coffee, they have the Skinny Syrups sampler kit. I do own a few of the flavors, and oh my gosh, they are so good. It's like making a Starbucks drink at home, I swear. Two things that I came across that are definitely a little bit more, I don't know if it's cheesy. I feel like cheesy isn't the word. Maybe thoughtful. Maybe that's the word. First thing being this love letters book. So I really don't know how it works, but maybe you're writing love letters and then giving to them throughout the year, or saying that things are coming throughout the year and have these love letters be part of it. I also thought this little pad was so adorable. It says, "What I love about you today," and if you live together, say you work from home or one person works from home, even just being in the same residence, having this around, it can be something goofy or something more serious. It's just an extra little thing that shows that you're appreciating someone. It's just really cute, and like you could save these notes every day. I don't know. Just something a little bit more thoughtful. Spring is right around the corner and I literally can't wait, but I think one of the big things that a lot of people do when spring is coming from the cold into the warmth is clean out their car. So getting that person a car cleaning kit, this is so weird and some people might be like super offended by this. Maybe it's just because I'm very type A, but I would love to receive a car cleaning kit. A couple things for the more artistic person, I guess you could say. I came across this Sharpie coloring book. Who doesn't love an adult coloring book? I'm really into that, and I feel like, again, it kind of goes into that self-care. Having a coloring book, I mean, you can obviously do it alone, but I also think about if it's one of those things that's just like sitting on your living room table, you color a little piece, you leave it there, and anyone who wants to jump in can color it too. That brings me to my next thing, and that is puzzles. I mean, obviously, I really love like an OG puzzle. I have a very weird relationship with puzzles, but I came across 3D puzzles. I think they're so cool because it actually can turn into like a display of art when you're done with them. Moving away from actual physical products and things, I'm going to talk about a few services that I think are great gift ideas, especially around Valentine's Day. First thing being is a pedicure, maybe a couple's pedicure, or getting your loved one a pedicure, or like a nail gift card for where they get their nails done. Couples massage is also a really great idea. It's very thoughtful, or just getting your significant other a massage, or giving a massage, saying that you're actually going to put that effort in. Back to the car cleaning conversation, you could pay for someone to get their car detailed. I want to mention a couple experience forward gifts. So I actually just went to a pottery class. I didn't even know we had a cool pottery studio near me, and I feel like a couple's pottery class is a great gift idea. It's so fun, and it's like a whole process. At least where I'm at, you have to like go and make the pottery and then you go back 2 weeks later to paint it. It's like an ongoing fun gift. I also feel like a paint and sip, if you want to like incorporate art and alcohol, or even if you don't drink, you can have the mocktails or soda. Another one that could be fun, either with just the two of you or inviting like a group of friends, is doing an escape room. Maybe like planning a whole day out of it, or planning an entire weekend away. That was one of my big ones, is really just doing something big for that person. Whether it means, hey, like we're taking a drive, we're going a couple hours here, we're gonna stay over, or hey, we already bought the plane ticket, like here's what's going on, we're gonna go here in the next month or two. Those things obviously take a little bit more planning, but I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely snag your gifts now. It's better to be early than too late. I cannot believe that it's already February. It is blowing my mind that we're already in the second month of 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my other social media channels, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.